our math journal today, we're going to do subtraction to 10, and we're going to look for the pages with the cones, the construction cones. Now, I'm going to remember that the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top. Okay, now remember, the first number is always going to be how many I'm starting with. So I'm starting with 10, and now I see the minus. Now remember, Mr. Minus, Linus the minus likes to take away. So when I see this, I know I have to take away minus 2. So I'm going to cross off 2. And now we can count and see how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know 10 minus 2 is 8. So I'm going to make an S, then close the gate. That's how you make the number 8. So let's look at this again. We started with 10 cones. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Started with 10. Mr. Minus, Linus the minus, wants us to take away 2. So we cross them out. Okay, and then we have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. Remember, the first number is how many you are starting with. The minus means take away. And then the number after the minus is telling us how many we're going to cross out. Do your very, very best, and Mrs. Newlands or I will see you soon.